Well, hello there, YouTube folks. So today we've got good weather, great weather actually, and tomorrow and Monday and Tuesday, not so promising. So guess what happens when we're told by the weather people that there's a freeze coming in Texas? This guy shows up on the scene. So this is my generator. It runs my house. The first freeze we had back about 5-6 years ago, we went through hell. I decided never again. And so we got this bad boy, and it runs this whole entire house. No issues with the AC. I love this thing. So today what we're going to do, you can probably already tell, I just pulled this thing out of storage. It's got bad gas. It's barely running. I'm going to go ahead and empty out the gas, and I'm also going to do an oil change on it. And so the way that I do my oil changes, because the oil drain is down here low, this generator, it's very hard to put something underneath it. So what I do is I take it and I put it on some 2x4s to raise it up, 2 inches basically. And that gives me enough room to slide a little tray like this underneath it and then drain the oil. So follow along with me and let's go ahead and do that. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get some gloves, and then we're going to get the socket for this particular one right here, and we'll slide the tray underneath and start draining the oil. Okay, so let's get this started. As in all my videos, we're going to start off with the most basic thing, which is we need a pair of gloves. Always got to keep the hands clean, so here we go. These are our black gloves, latex gloves. Got our oil collection tray right here. We're going to go ahead. The reason why I'm using this is because it's the one that fits underneath there. And as you can see, I've got some 2x4s underneath this because I've got casters on all 4 sides. So I raise it up, keeps it from getting messy. And then I've got my socket wrench and my 12mm socket. So let's go ahead and get ready and start draining this oil. So this is the bolt right here that we're going to go ahead and open up. And once you open that up, the oil starts coming in. Forgot to mention one thing. You always need a shop rag. You got to keep clean. And there we are. We're filling up with oil. So let's go ahead and get this thing drained, and then we'll fill it back up. So what I also like to do in order for this to drain faster is I go ahead and remove the dipstick. So I take the dipstick out so that helps the oil drain faster. Now I'm going to go ahead and start putting this back on. It's all completely done draining. You can see it's all down here, and I'm going to go ahead and start putting this back together, and then we'll fill up the oil and start her up. So I went ahead and filled up the oil. I'm going to go ahead and pull the dipstick out, and let's see how it looks. Come in here into the light. Looks perfect to me. It's all the way at the edge of the marks like it should be. I put exactly 40.5 ounces in there, so we are good to go. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.